Open the box and check whether the package is in good condition. If there is any damage, please take photos for proof and contact our company in time. If the package is intact, please open the package and take out the equipment. If you have any questions or need help, please contact us for support. Mainframe. Cover and bellows. Y-shaped connecting pipe. Airway pressure connection tube. Threaded pipe. V60 straight joint optional. ETCO to water trap and sampling tube optional. Power cord. User manual and packing list. Put the foot supports of the host into the positioning holes of the tray correspondingly. Remove the rubber plug on the driving gas port and exhaust port. Connect the Y-shaped connecting pipe as shown in the video. Install the transparent connector on the leftmost 22mm port of the control unit. And then connect the airway pressure tube to the pressure sensor port of the control unit. Connect the power cord to the power supply interface. Connect the end of the corrugated pipe to the outlet and the other end to the exhaust gas canister. Connect the other end of the threaded pipe with the interface of the anesthesia machine. ETCO to water trap installation. Align the water trap into the installing hole from bottom to top, and then push it horizontally with a little force into the buckle for fixation. Connect one end of the sampling tube to the interface of the water trap and tighten it. Connect the V60 straight joint to the interface of the ray breathing circuit of the anesthesia machine. Connect the other end of the sampling tube to the V60 straight joint on the blue interface and tighten. Put the bellows on the assembly ring of the control unit and straighten the folding part of it. Put on the bellows cover. Rotate the bellows cover clockwise until it is properly stuck in the slot of the base. Put the side with VT scale to the front, which is convenient for observation. Remove the original bellows cover by rotating it counterclockwise. And then pull out the folding pouch directly. Finally, replace the bellows and bellows cover that need to be used. After passing the self-test interface, enter the main interface. Alarm set. You can adjust the alarm upper and lower limits or restore the default settings. Mute. Self-check. Menu parameter list. You can add custom parameters or directly call. Alarm records can be exported using UDisk. Date and time can be adjusted according to your habits. Data recording. The data parameters used during the operation can be exported with a USB disk to facilitate alarm analysis. System setting. You can adjust the screen brightness in this interface. Set the time of hold duration to avoid lung injury caused by pressing the key for a long time. In addition, the using language can be adjusted according to your habits. Carbon dioxide function is open by default and it can be turned off in this interface. Equipment zeroing. It is recommended to zero once a year. Carbon dioxide zeroing. It is recommended to zero once a month. Close APL valve of the anesthesia machine. Seal the tubes in anesthesia machine. Open the oxygen flow meter and rise the folding pouch of the breathing machine to the top of the bellows cover. Turn on the machine and check according to the attention points indicated on the interface. After being in good condition, turn on the self-inspection if nothing wrong. The self-checking would be passed. Select the animal body weight, throw the white knob and press the button to confirm. Select the appropriate mode and start mechanical ventilation. The pressure time chart of mechanical ventilation and the relevant data can be displayed on the screen. VCV mode. Mechanical ventilation is triggered by feed vice or spontaneous breathing of animals, with tidal volume as interference standard and upper pressure limit as overpressure protection. PCV mode. Mechanical ventilation is triggered by feed vice or spontaneous breathing of animals, with peak airway pressure as apnea mode. Based on the VCV mode. This mode controls the start or stop of the mechanical ventilation when the spontaneous breathing of animals is recognized. Our system can automatically match the recommended parameters according to the weight entered, and users can also edit the parameters according to actual needs. Presentation of ETCO2. Connect the sampling tube to the interface. When the ETCO2 function is open, the animal waveform and the corresponding values can be displayed on the screen. Hold. Long press to take effect. Screen will display the pause duration of inhalation and the current airway pressure value, so as to facilitate the control of safety. INSP hold operation. 1 can be used for preoperative induction, CT imaging, chest suturing, etc. 2. It is recommended that animals weighing less than 3 kg should not be effective for more than 5 seconds. 3. For animals weighing more than 3 kg, the duration of the inspirator-wise suspension should not exceed 30 seconds. Note: the INSP hold function cannot be used in apnea mode. After the operation, stop the ventilation and turn off the ventilator. Maintenance. The air filter on the back of the ventilator is recommended to be replaced every 3 to 6 months to ensure the best working efficiency of the turbine.